Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City on the beautiful Atlantic City Boardwalk on a chilly evening here tonight. We're going to check out the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Out of all the hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City, there's a handful that everyone seems to like more than others, Tropicana being one of them, so that's why I come back here quite often, as a matter of fact. It's one of my favorites as well. Listen, if you want to give me a free room, I'll stay anywhere in this town, but if I have to pay, I think there's 5 places I would pay for a room. Harrah's, Borgata, Hard Rock, Ocean, and the Trop. I personally call them the Fabulous 5, and the cool thing is, pretty much except for Tropicana and Harrah's, they're all owned by different companies. But each of those 5 come with its own vibe, and that's what I like about them. They're all a little bit different. Looks like the Boardwalk's mine tonight. I think this guy's gonna try to get on my boardwalk. The nerve of some people. Let's step inside, shall we? When you enter off the boardwalk, you step right into the marketplace here at the Tropicana. Downstairs, this is downstairs, and they have a little bit of gambling and a whole lot of eating going on here. There's a Hooters down here. Hooters, of course, known for their wings and other things, and seems like everyone loves Hooters. Insert comment below. Also coming up here on the right is Casa Taco and Tequila Bar, a one-of-a-kind tequila list partnered with Mexican-American classics, including tacos, fajitas, and tableside prepared guacamole. That's a lot of tequila. And on the right here is Marketplace Express Cafe, kind of like a grab and go. And on the left is a damn good sports bar. Hey, that's the name of it. Lots of big screen TVs and a DJ every Friday and Saturday night. The menu offers yummy starters like bacon wrapped jalapeno shrimp, assorted sliders, burgers, sandwiches, dinner entrees, breakfast sandwiches, and a brunch menu on Saturday and Sunday starting at 8 o'clock. This joint's open until 11 p.m. It's also home to the $6 40-ounce beer. On the right here is a fruit and vegetable smoothie place. I'll take that 40-ounce beer, thank you. As you can see, there's quite a few slots downstairs here. No table games, but still, it's a pretty respectable amount of slot machines down here. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here we have the Fiesta Buffet, Tropicana's endless buffet, complete with carving station, you-peel shrimp, and enough variety to satisfy any cravings. Hopefully that'll be opening up soon. Alrighty, let's head upstairs. Hold on tight. This is the main level. The main casino is here, as well as the elevators to the hotel towers and that wonderful place known as the Quarter with a lot of shopping and restaurants. But before we check this floor out, we're going to go back downstairs. We're going to cross the floor here, go down these escalators, and check out the main lobby and reservation area. Hold on tight. This is the check-in reservation area. This level also has access to the parking garage, as well as a salon here and a convenience store. And a shout out to Lapse Time, one of our many UK subscribers here on the New York channel. Keith found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in the latest Vegas video, The D. And now back upstairs. Here we have the Tropicana Sports Book, and then we're going to come across Chickies and Pete's Crab House and Sports Bar. This place is quite famous, and I can't believe I've never eaten here before, and I've been to the Trop so many times. Next time I'm coming here, I'm definitely going to eat at Chickies and Pete's, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Well, not my meal. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm going to share the video. Chickies and Pete's serves world-famous crab fries, bar favorites, and seafood with a South Philly flair. I know we've all seen video poker, and it's become quite common in every casino practically, but I was curious how many of you New York subscribers actually play other table electronic games. Electronic games like blackjack or baccarat or craps. I think I'll put up a survey in the New York community room and find out how many people actually enjoy playing the electronic version or enjoy playing at tables. Coming up here on the left is Tango's. It's a great cocktail lounge right off the casino here at the Tropicana. And now we're heading into the quarter with lots of shops and restaurants. There are so many shops here at the quarter here at the Tropicana, including America, Mrs. Fields, A Time for Wine, AKA, Blue Mercury Apothecary, Boardwalk Corner Store, Essentials, Irwin Pearl, Francesca's Collections, Hat Emporium, Havana Sundries, James Saltwater Taffy, Lick, Marcel Rousseau, Step Up, Swarovski, Talk of the Walk, Time After Time, Toomey, Tropicana Lobby Market, White House Black Market, Zephyr Gallery, and more. Lots of places to eat here too. We'll get into those when we get a little bit closer. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. We just headed upstairs, and some of the restaurants we passed on the way up here include Cuba Libre, Carmine's, and P.F. Chang's. This area we're at now is also where the elevators are to the Havana Tower. This is Rira, one of my favorite Irish pubs here in Atlantic City. Great fish and chips and a rowdy crowd. Unfortunately, it's still closed. Recently, I also did a chilly morning walk on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, and I stopped off at Gilchrist, which is a diner here at the Tropicana. Famous diner, great following, and had a great time there. Fantastic breakfast. Make sure to check that video out. Again, that's the Gilchrist Diner right here at the Tropicana. Coming up here around the corner is Kiss Kiss, a comedy club that's now open, as well as a karaoke club up ahead. One of you guys asked me about karaoke in Atlantic City. This is the only one I know of. If you guys know of any others, feel free to leave a comment below. And coming up on the right here is a damn good sports bar. I guess there's two of them here at the Tropicana. One all the way down in the marketplace and one up here at the quarter. This one, however, is still closed. Also up here is the Shack, a casual empanada restaurant, as well as an IMAX theater straight ahead. And that's pretty much it tonight for the Tropicana. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.